Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make Boxplots using the FreeCharts.org site. Now this is a tool I developed because I just got tired of writing code to visualize data. And for this, we're going to use a data set here. We can start with the tips dataset. Now this is just one of those popular data sets where it shows the amount of tips in a restaurant compared to the total bill, compared to the gender, and whether the person that gave the tip was a smoker or non-smoker, the day of the week, the time of the day, and the size of the group that visited the restaurant. So with this tool called FreeCharts, you can specify the theme color that you want for the chart. You can specify the type of chart you want. In this case, you want a box plot. You can drag and drop your CSV file. So for right now, the CSV file can have a size of 10 megabytes maximum. Currently, I don't have support for Excel, but I plan to just roll that out soon. Shouldn't be difficult. And so there's an about page and tutorial videos page. I intend to actually add the links here so that anyone that visits the site can watch the videos and know how to do the different things. But let's just go straight to the tool. So for your box plots, you can specify your x-axis. And in this case, I want to see the distribution according to the gender. Okay, gender and the tip. So the amount of tip by gender, and you can see there is a difference. If you look at the median value for the female and the median value for the male, so it looks like men in general tend to give more tip than women according to this data set. So these are the different options you can specify, for box plots. I am still working on this software tool in general. So, there are other things that are available which I can also provide, like ability to look at the raw points as well. But for right now, this is what it is for box plots, and I intend to, add the other functionality. So by the time you come here next time, you should see the sort of functionality in here as well. Yes, so that's a good thing about that. So we can also add color to it, but that doesn't help right now. Let's see if we do group. Okay, now you can see. So you can specify your x-axis, y-axis. You can specify if you want to color the charts by a particular column here, which is in this case smoker versus non-smoker. That's no, yes. So categorical variable, and you can see the box mode. If I select it as group, you can see the colors are differentiated this way. But if I select overlay, they are combined together, and of course I'd want to do group so that I can see the two distinctions. So in general, we can see that male smokers tend to give the highest tip compared to female smokers. And smokers in general, male or female regardless, tend to give much more tip than non-smokers according to this data set. So here we can, although this isn't necessary right now, but we can add a facet row by another categorical variable. Okay, yeah, we could do it by the time. Let's do time of the day, and you can see. So if we set facets row, so there's one for lunch and one for dinner, and we can see the difference as well. Okay, so we could have easily done that as a facet column. Let's say time, and you can see that as well. So this can answer the question of, okay, generally it looks like people give better tips for dinner than for lunch. Doesn't matter if you're male or female, or if you're a smoker or non-smoker, which is quite interesting. We could also decide to look at this by day of the week. So let's look at that. Yeah, it gets really small. So one of the things I can do for this in this visualization or in this software tool is I can increase this graphing area much more. I can actually do that, and that's probably something I will look into, so that in case people select to decide to add more customizations in terms of facets and subplots, they won't look small. But as of right now, this is what it is. And yeah, that's how you make a box plot using FreeCharts. So just come over to freecharts.org and you will be able to use this tool for your work. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.